Excuse me, sir. Can I take a seat, sir?
Yes.
This is my CV and application letter, sir.
First, tell about yourself.
First of all, thanks for giving the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aska Zailani Pasaribu, and you can call me Aska. I'm from Indonesia, and I'm graduate from Polytechnic Caltex Riau, majoring informatic system. And over the past several years, I focus on building enterprise application using Java and Spring Boot. I enjoy solving complex problems and writing clean maintenance code. I'm also looking for ways to improve system performance and learn new technology that can help deliver better software. Now, I'm looking for an opportunity where I can contribute to large-scale enterprise while continue to grow as a Java developer. I'm excited about this opportunity at Suna Solution.
Why will Soap hire you in this position?
I believe I'm strong fit because my experience closely matches the recruitment of this role. Beyond technical skill, I take ownership of my work. When I face a problem, I don't just look for a quick fix. I try to understand the root cause and build solutions that are reliable and maintainable. I also learning technology change quickly, especially in back-end development. If you hire me, you'll get some who can contribute from a technical perspective while also being a dependable team member who values collaboration and continuous improvement.
I think that's a note. Wait for the announcement later.
Thank you, sir. I hope you will consider me as programmer, especially Java developer. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you, sir.